Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my construction progress for my Revell 1-48 B-24D Liberator. It's right here. All painting and gluing complete. Here's the box. Sorry I cannot uncover it right now because this thing is set here to dry. I cannot move it. Here it is, the B-24D Liberator. It's all here. Yep, model aeronautics I've been making. You know, I was a boat builder at one point when it came to models, but I stopped because they got so demanding. I mean, let's see what we got for this model now. As you see here, I put medium green blotches to make the jerks natural, as shown, right around here. Well, looks like it's aeronautics models to me. All I gotta do is let this thing dry, and someday I will decal it. Next place it's gonna be, my ceiling. Let's take a look. My parents watching TV is just extra. Well, I'll see you when I hang this model. Bye.